Why is it that you don't want to learn the Arabic language? You don't want to learn the language of the Quran. You don't want to learn the language of the Prophet. Why? You always scroll on Facebook watching different videos and you have a huge opportunity like this to learn the Arabic language with me. So we want to start learning 100 Arabic verbs, 100 Arabic verbs, commonly used verbs, verbs that are essential for you to know, verbs that are used daily. Okay, so if you are patient enough to watch this video to the end, you are going to be able to memorize just one Arabic verb. It's one past tense, present tense, and command tense. Just one video for you. So for every minute you are going to be spending learning the Arabic language, you are going to be earning reward. So don't you want to learn and earn reward? Even if you are a beginner, don't worry. You are still going to understand. Okay, you need to learn. You always read the Quran, you don't understand its meaning. It is high time you started learning Arabic language. Okay, so pay attention while I explain in details. When we say kataba, kataba means he wrote. You can see it here, right? Kataba is a past tense and it means he wrote. He wrote. Kataba, past tense. He wrote. It may be someone that wrote it. Okay, he wrote. Now, how can you use kataba in sentence? Very simple sentence. Now you have to bring the word kataba. So we can say kataba, kataba, aliyun, aliyun, ad-darsa, ad-darsa. So this means Ali is someone's name, right? Ali wrote, Ali wrote. Ad-darsa means lesson. Ad-darsa means lesson. So Ali wrote the lesson. The lesson. Okay, there is the Al. So Kataba Aliyun ad-darsa. Ali wrote the lesson. It's very simple. So we have memorized Kataba. He wrote. Yaktubu. He is writing. It's a present tense. He is writing. Okay, which means yaktubu. 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 So how do you make sentence using yaktubu? So before we continue, ensure to like the video if you are still watching so that it can get to more people. Like the video, then you can make a comment. You can comment anything, what you have learned. You can tell me thank you in the comment section. Just say something. Now, yaktubu means what? He is writing. You can simply remove this past tense and add yaktubu here. It means Ali is writing the lesson. Ali is writing the lesson. So you say yaktubu aliyun ad-darsa. Yaktubu aliyun ad-darsa. So Ali is writing the lesson. It's very simple. Okay, so we don't have problem with the past tense and we don't have problem with the present tense. The next thing we should learn is how to command someone to write. Let's say, for example, you want to tell someone write. How do you say that? You say uktub. They say uktub. Very simple. Uktub. So you say uktub. Uktub ad-darsa. Write the lesson. Ad-darsa. Uktub, write. Uktub means write. Okay? It's a command tense, means write. Uktub. Uktub ad-darsa, the lesson. Ya Ali. O Ali. O Aliyu. Uktub, write. Ad-darsa, the lesson. The lesson. Ya Ali. Say, O Ali. Uktub ad-darsa. O Ali. Okay, Ya Ali. Write the lesson, Ya Ali. So it's very simple. Today you have been able to memorize one Arabic word out of the 100 Arabic verbs we want to memorize. So you can make other sentences for me to be sure that you have understood this lesson. Use the word kataba to make sentences in the comment section. Okay, you can change it. You can put other things here. You can tell me that kataba aliyun. You change the darsa lesson. You can write any other thing. Put it here if you know how to do that. So make sentence or construct a sentence using kataba. So I will be sure you have watched this video to the end. You see, you are going to earn massive reward for learning Arabic language and for watching this video. And I hope to see you in the next word. This is the second Arabic verb, and this is the second word. In the next video, we are going to learn the third word, and we are going to 100. It's a series. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.